What a fucking night. Get your keys. Get your keys. Get your keys. You got a piece of cutter.
Key in there, yeah? Top.
Hello.
I can't believe how drunk you are.
I am not drunk.
Yes, you are.
I am not fucking drunk.
Can you tell the time?
Yes. I am not fucking drunk.
What are you looking at? Well, you're here now. Come in. Where you been? Come in.
See you in about 11 hours. Come on.